Thank you for your interest in Cinegears products. In this video we will demonstrate how the Pegasus Cablecam system can move on the rails mounted to the ceiling. And how does it work together with our 2023 new wireless remote control heavy-duty pan tilt and zoom head. Besides the ground and cables, the Pegasus system can also operate on rails mounted to the ceiling. Only a few adapters are needed for the rails being easily assembled and mounted to the ceiling. The Pegasus Cablecam system can automatically move between the two preset points repeatedly, with the speed and points of movement being set up in advance on the remote controller. To get the best result, use the Pegasus together with our new wireless remote control heavy-duty pan tilt and zoom head. The head is adjustable to support from small GoPro cameras to 10 kg broadcast cameras. The user can also attach a follow focus to the head. Only one battery is required to power a Pegasus, a wireless head, a follow focus and even your camera all together. The Pegasus and the head are equipped with step motors which consume very low power. The entire system can operate up to 48 hours powered by a 100 watt-hour battery. By setting a head on the controller, the pan tilt and zoom head can automatically control the camera movement and focus adjustment. There are up to 4 different presets available in total. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit cinegears.com.